So this guy went on a glacier tour in Iceland, and out of nowhere, a huge chunk of ice broke off and just fell into the water. It was honestly shocking.
Wow! Wow! The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
In 2017, Greenland was hit by a tsunami. It was just beyond belief.
Hey,
In 2020, a cruise ship on its way to Ireland got caught in some seriously rough seas. It looked really scary.
Don't move.
In 2016, hikers in Argentina realized they were in a really dangerous spot on the trail. Super close call.
¡Guarda, guarda, 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 guarda! ¡Fuera, fuera, fuera, fuera! ¡Fuera!
In 2018, this guy was just loading his car when he realized he forgot his wallet. So close. In 2018, a massive mudslide in Switzerland came roaring down a mountain, and it was unreal. In 2023, a driver in China barely avoided falling rocks. 1 second slower, and it could have been really bad. In 2014, a volcano in Papua New Guinea erupted, sending out this huge shockwave. Just incredible force.
Here we go. Where do we get the move?
On November 30th, 2018, a big 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska. It was just so powerful. A volcano in Indonesia erupted and created insane lightning. I've never seen anything like it.